Having a positive communication with anyone and everyone is an art, and I'm gonna talk about that particular art in this video. If you practice the art shown in this video, then people would love to talk to you always. Chances are good that after watching this video, you will have fruitful communication with almost everyone. Stay tuned. So welcome to the video. Now remember, the art of communication has three major pillars that you can use to make the communication better and fruitful. And you can use these communication pillars while you're talking with your friends, family, colleagues, clients and everyone. So let us go ahead and explore what these pillars are. So pillar number one is use positive words. Now while talking with anyone and everyone, make sure that you are using positive words that reflects positivity in your expression. Just remember, words are very powerful tool that can take your communication to different level. Hence make sure that whenever you are talking with anyone, you are using the words that are positive, good in nature and of high energy. Hence let's say next time if you are talking with someone and if you do not agree with that person, then don't use the statement like I do not agree with you. Instead say that I have a different opinion on what you have said. Would you like to hear my perspective? This will make people like you very easily. Similarly, when you are asking for help, do not say that I have a bad day and a very problematic day. Instead say this thing that I have some challenges today and I would like that to be solved. Would you mind helping me? This will make people help you willingly. So now let me go ahead and share with you some words that you can use in your day-to-day conversation to make it very positive. And the words are happy, growth, great, belief, awesome, wonderful and agreed. Make sure you use these kind of words while talking with your friends or family members. So now before we move to point number 2, just comment below and let me know the positive words that you use on daily basis while talking with everyone. Let's move to point number 2. Pillar number 2, be a good listener. Now guys, this is very important because people love talking to other people who loves listening to their conversation. Hence make sure whenever you are talking with anyone, you take a genuine interest in whatever they are talking. This is very important. Now here are few things that you need to do while talking to them. Nod your head frequently because this will ensure them that you are listening. It's a way of acknowledging their words. Also, another thing you need to do is make sure that you put an open body language. We are going to discuss more about body language in point number 3. However, this is just to give you an idea that your body language should reciprocate to what they are saying. Another thing is that ask question, because if you are asking question, then the other person will love to talk to you and answer your questions. This will also ensure that you are genuinely interested in whatever they are saying and also you are genuinely listening to whatever they are saying. Another thing is, do not use your mobile phone while talking to them. This is a pure turn off because people don't like to talk with anyone who are distracted by mobile phones. And the last and the most important thing is, do not interrupt. Whenever they are talking, allow them to talk and you only talk whenever it is your chance to talk. This will ensure that you guys are having a smooth communication. Point number 3, that's pillar number 3, is right body language. Now consciously or unconsciously, your body releases non-verbal signal which other person can see consciously or unconsciously and is aware that what exactly your interest is in the conversation. So make sure that your body language is cooperating while you are talking as well as while you are listening. Now for this, the first and the foremost thing that you need to do is ensure that you are standing or sitting with an erect spine. Make sure that your body is not lethargic but full of energy. Next thing you can do is make sure that you smile genuinely whenever needed, because people love to see a smiling face, especially when they are talking. Now what exactly happens is that often we do not smile genuinely while we are listening to someone. This shouldn't be the case. If someone has told you something that makes you feel smile, then just smile with complete heart and with whole heart. This will release an enormous amount of positivity from you to another person. So make sure you are smiling genuinely and with complete heart. Another thing is, make sure that you do not sit or stand with hands folded in front of another person, because this passes a wrong signal to the person who is in front of you. The signal that body passes in this case is that you are not feeling safe and secure in front of that person. So make sure you have an open hand and you are interacting with your hand while you're talking with that person. Now another thing you need to do is make sure you maintain an eye contact with the listener or the speaker. Now when I say eye contact, it doesn't mean that you are staring into their eyes. It's just that after few intervals you are maintaining an eye contact to make sure that you are aware about what you are talking or what you are listening. Lastly, try to use your facial expression to acknowledge what you are feeling about what the other person is speaking. So we have often seen this thing that we raise our eyebrows whenever we are surprised, or probably we lower down our lips while we are sad. Just make sure that you are trying to use your facial expressions while you are talking or while you are listening to the other person. This is a very positive sign and it creates a good communication between two people. Also, if you're planning to touch the other person's body, like while giving a high five or probably shaking hands or while giving a fist bump, make sure that it's firm and gentle, because this creates a sign of confidence and other person will love to talk to you. Now once again, let me repeat that body language releases a non-verbal signal. So make sure while you're talking to other person, you have a positive body language to ensure a smooth and a happy communication. So these were the 3 pillars of communication that you need to use almost every time while you're talking with anyone and everyone. Just remember this thing, that communication is the biggest aspect to build human relation. So make sure that you excel in this thing. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then share it with as many people as you can and help them with their communication skills. Also, for similar videos in future, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified about my new videos as soon as I upload them. Alright, so thanks once again for watching my video. My name is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.